Here with another episode of Bob's Classic Cars and Parts. This is Field Agent 420. This is a truck we had recently picked up that had been sitting for quite some time. We believe that it was left indoors because of how solid it is, and I'm going to run you around it real quick. It's a 1954 Ford F100. And let's take a better look at this grill. First we'll do just a quick lap on the outside. So this is all natural patina. Nothing's been painted by me or anyone in the past who knows how many years. Just an insanely solid truck. Tailgate is not original to the truck. The truck was a powder blue. It's got a teal tailgate. But we can just start to dive in on how insanely solid this thing is. I mean, coming right in here, we'll typically see these things are blown out. Everything is in good shape. The lip of everything, you'll usually find a bunch of rust in these grills down here in these lowers. Nothing of the sort. Same with the grill. Where the grill tends to meet the body, you'd expect to see rust, and there's absolutely none whatsoever. Everything is in really solid shape. Same with this fender. She's got a little wrinkle down there, but everything is just incredibly solid. Running up to the cowl, you'll expect them to be blown out along here. It definitely will need a windshield replacement up under the roof. The roof itself is in amazing shape. Coming down to the door, lower portions of the doors, you just expect rust and rot, and you've got nothing but just incredibly clean metal the whole way through. They typically blow out through here. You've got a small crack, but jumping back over the fender, exact same thing, just lots and lots and lots of gorgeous metal. Probably one of the only places it is blown out on this side would be right here. These little pieces, you can order those, so that's not a big deal at all. The bed floor, of course, is gone. Typical sheet of plywood in there. Don't step right there, your foot will go through. Trust me, I know. Opening the door, opens as it should. Rockers just in absolutely amazing shape. You've got what looks like a little bit of rust here around this body mount, which is super typical, but these pockets usually blow out. Those lower pockets, I've had quite a few of these trucks, and those lower pockets usually go fast. Jumping over to the dash, everything is there, keys there. Here's a really cool, maybe a CB speaker or just a speaker. The seat's in really good shape, very usable shape. Floors are just in awesome shape. I had hosed it out the other day, so it's a little wet in here. Running around to the other side. Let's see here. Jumping down once again, where you typically expect to see rust, there's absolutely none whatsoever. It is just a super solid truck. Again, on this side, this panel's a little jacked, and then this cab corner is gone through here. You can see someone maybe attempted a repair that wasn't successful because it's no longer there, but the lower portion's really solid. Wrapping around underneath the gas tank neck, it's in great shape. Here you have just a small tear on the step. All easily repairable things. Coming over to this door, rocker, just an amazing shape. Door, once again, in amazing shape. This is how you want to find them. Windows crank down and roll up as they should. 3 on the tree. Here is just probably the worst rot on the whole floorboard is this little mount, which is almost considered no rust, considering how solid this thing is. Once again, the roof is just doing awesome. Everything about it closes as it should. The hinges are a little jacked. That's got the hood forward a little bit, so you'd need new hinges, but I mean, just an absolutely gorgeous, solid truck.